secrets of LED, that there are a bunch of whole system benefits that you incur installing them if you're doing new construction. So the thing everyone's focused on is how expensive they are compared to an HID fixture. You know, sticker price to sticker price. Absolutely. A lot of that can be helped out. With rebates. But the thing that it saves you on is at install, you can install less tonnage of HVAC equipment, for example. So just a quick back of the envelope calculation. So you've got a 15,000 square foot tier 3 facility here in the Commonwealth. You can put in somewhere between 60 and 120 less tons of HVAC. A good rule of thumb for horticulture HVAC, about $3,000 a ton. So you're saving, you know, a large chunk of change there that you can put towards either, you know, that goes towards paying for some of that additional lighting install. That's not even talking about the efficiency once you get operational. And the other large savings is your total electrical feed can be sized smaller. If you're at a typical facility, this just means your switch gear that brings power in from the utility is smaller. But in a lot of other cases, let's say you are at some place with a restricted electrical service, or you want to do something that's off-grid or near off-grid, LEDs can help make that possible where it wouldn't, just because of the lower power consumption.